think there's a PTF tape on that. See if that screws in that way. So put some of this tape on here and connect it up, I guess.